Hello viewers, again welcome. Today I am going to show you very beautiful and impressive ideas of handmade ornaments and handmade embroidered pattern and fleece fabricated ornaments ideas. And today we give you our best ideas, and it's a time to grow your business, make a set with that, and you can grow your business. Make your thing, make your product, and post on social media. Take a picture and post on social media platform like Facebook and whatever you are using. So after that, you have to do something different, like purchase some Google ads and post on social media platform, and make a story behind that. People wants to buy a story, people wants to buy unique ideas, so make your idea unique and post on social media. Purchase some Google ads. After that, you have to do something different, means add your brand on fair shops and show your relatives and friends, your friend circle. After that, you have to sell out it, try to sell this. And this season is upcoming, and people wants to buy different types of thing, unique ornaments. So this video will give you idea. You can get idea from this video, and these are very beautiful and easy to make designs. Add these type of things, take 2-3 ideas of these, like ornaments and trees, and mix it up. Try craft something new which is never looked before. So something new crafted, and after that you have to post on social media and make a budget friendly product, and eco friendly also. Recycle things, recycle bottles. As of fleece craft, Xmax craft, upcoming holiday craft, Holly Jolly craft is here for you. So if you want to love crafting, if you want to creating something different like that, so your here is right place for you, especially for you. We are bringing some best designs, some best techniques. We are trying to bring for you an amazing ideas. So these beautiful crafting ideas is especially our crafters. So in this video we show you very amazing and interesting collection of handmade cushions, handmade trees with fleece. Added some beads. Take some needle and thread, take glue gun, and make your art start. So in this video gives you the best ideas and best designs. You can comment me on the comment section and leave your comment, leave your idea in the comment section, and what do you think, which thing should I try to upload for you. And we try to upload the best ideas, best design, best things. Hope you like very well, and we are trying to do something different and unique. So viewers, this gorgeous collection is for our viewers, and we try to bring very amazing and interesting designs. So what do you think about that? These are beautiful or not? I really like that, because Western women are very hardworking, very hardworking. I personally think, and I watch that they are really want to do something different, something unique, something extra, like in their life, in his life. So they are doing very beautiful craft. They made handbags, they made crocheted things, and very beautiful things in her life. So make some jute rope craft. You can make with these, like you can make a tree like that, and you can make wreath like that, ornaments and trees with jute rope. Wall hanging decoration ideas. We gives you wall hanging decoration ideas. Beautiful designs. It's a crafting time. It's a season of crafting. It's a holiday season, and we trying to bring very amazing and aesthetic ideas for our viewers and subscribers. Have you seen this type of pictures before? Have you notice that these are very gorgeous and beautiful designs. You can decorate your home, you can spread happiness in your life, in your home. So spread happiness, spread beautiful things in your life. Whatever you have, it will multiply and return you. So whatever you have, money, food, and whatever you have, give more and have more. It's a best message. Give more and make easiest thing in everybody's lives, and your life will be easier. So thank you for watching. I gonna show you, I try to bring for you the best ornaments idea, the best walls hanging decoration. Wall hanging decoration is beautifully designed, beautifully crafted by me. So in these pictures, so we collected it for you. So I really gonna enjoy this. I really gonna want to make these type of things, these type of craft for you. I want to try to make something different type of things and try to make it, and something different. So if you what do you want to watch, tell me about that. We want to upload, and your comments is very most powerful things for me, and I really gonna thanks for you. You are commenting on my channel, you gives blessing and you gives many things me. So it would be really nice, really nice for you. And if you write your name, I would really want to share your name with my YouTube family. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We try to bring very best and amazing collection for you. So tell me about that. Tell me about these creations. Tell me about these collection. For more best and beautiful designs, for more best and beautiful ideas, stay tuned with us. Craft and Canvas Beauty Writer. These more channels. So thank you for watching and stay blessed. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. And we want to bring for you the best ideas, the best designs. For more videos, for more designs, stay tuned with us. Join us on our channel. Tell me your opinion. What do you want to watch? These things, try to make something different and try to make something hard. So in this video we trying to bring for you the beautiful and easiest thing, hanging wall decoration ideas, and something hanging ideas, something hanging ornaments. You have to watch, okay, watch in this video. Make some gifts box, make some handcrafted things in this video. So make some unique and different. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Keep shining, keep smiling, and may your life fulfill of happiness.